Donc on accueille
We're
le producteur
welcoming
Hugo
today
Sélignac.
the producer, Hugo Sélignac,
l'actrice et interprète du rôle-titre Adèle
actor
Exarchopoulos,
Adele Exarchopoulos, who plays the main character,
la réalisatrice Jeanne Herry,
the director Jeanne Herry,
l'actrice Sarah
the
Giraudot,
actress Sarah Giraudot,
et le producteur
and
Alain
the
Attal.
producer Alain Attal.
Alors, au premier rang, on a le reste de
At the
l'équipe.
front
Alors,
row, we
merci
have the
d'applaudir
rest of the
également
crew.
Sarah Jeanne
Please
Drio,
give a round of applause for Sarah and Gio,
Anne Suarez,
Anne Suarez,
Mathilde Rohrich,
Mathilde Rohrich,
Jenny Bett,
Jenny Bett,
et Raya Martini.
Raya Martini.
Alors, pour lancer la conversation, j'ai
To
une
get the
question
ball
pour
rolling, I
Jeanne
have a
Herry.
question for
On
Jeanne
vous connaît plutôt
Herry.
pour des récits
We
coraux.
know
Pourquoi
you
cette envie de centrer le film sur
through
un seul
your shorts.
personnage
Why
et
did you
comment est née
focus
cette
on
fameuse
just
Garance
one character? What gave rise to
Alors
Garance?
effectivement, c'est parce que je voulais pas être dans la
I
redite.
didn't want
Mes deux
to
précédents
repeat
films,
myself,
Publié, Je verrai toujours vos
repeat
visages, je les avais
my
travaillés un
other
petit peu de manière
films,
similaire.
In Safe
J'ai
Hands,
beaucoup
for example, and All Your
documenté, j'avais
Faces.
étudié le
I documented
général
the
pour
situation
fabriquer du
very well. I
particulier,
wanted to
voilà, de
make
la
something
fiction,
very
des personnages.
special,
Et
fiction,
je
create
voulais
real characters.
faire un virage un
I
peu
didn't.
dans toutes
Well,
les
what I
dimensions du
thought
projet,
was that I could
en écriture, en mise en
really
scène et tout
look
ça. Donc l'idée
at
de
all
faire
the
un
dimensions
portrait
of the project,
de
the
quelqu'un,
writing,
une
the
femme,
shooting.
qu'on
So
suivrait dans toute
it occurred to
sa
me that I could do the
mobilité,
portrait
dans
of a woman
dans toutes les
who I
dimensions
would follow in all the
de son
dimensions
être,
of her
une
being.
actrice, donc une jeune
An
femme,
actress, a
actrice
young woman
et
who is an actress,
alcoolique, pourquoi pas.
an alcoholic, why not?
Parce que les addictions, c'est
Because
un
addiction
phénomène, des
is
mécanismes qui m'intéressent,
a
qui me font peur.
mechanism I'm interested in
Moi, tout
and
ce
that
qui me
really
fait peur,
scares me.
je profite de faire des films
And
pour
when
aller
things scare me,
comprendre,
what I do is to make a
comprendre moi,
film
les
to
autres.
try and
Et
understand
du coup,
myself and
voilà,
others.
j'ai pas fait beaucoup de recherches.
So I
Il se
didn't
trouve
do
que
a
j'ai eu
lot
la
of
chance
research. I was
très
very
rapidement de
fortunate
rencontrer
because quickly I
une jeune
met
femme
a young
une jeune
woman
femme alcoolique qui
who
m'a
is
raconté
alcoholic
tout son parcours
and who told me
d'alcool,
about
donc son
her
rapport à la
past
consommation jusqu'à
and how
son
she became
sevrage.
an alcoholic up
Et
until the
aussi, elle
time
m'a raconté
she
toute sa vie.
quit the habit.
Je trouvais
And
ça
she told me about her
passionnant. Il faut
entire
qu'il y ait du
life. I
cinéma
found that was
partout, un
riveting.
personnage, une
There was stuff,
personnalité très forte.
material for
Elle
a
est pas
film
actrice,
everywhere.
donc
She's a
il a
strong
fallu,
character. She wasn't an
fusionner. J'ai
actress,
pris
so I
les
had to
éléments de
merge
sa
things.
biographie, j'ai
I
fusionné
took
avec
elements from
voilà,
her
ce que je
biography and
voulais
I merged
raconter
that
du
with
métier d'acteur,
what I
d'actrice.
wanted to
Bon,
say
voilà,
about
après, c'est une
the
grosse
profession of an
tambouille que
actor.
vous connaissez peut-être,
And
l'écriture.
then, of course,
Mais voilà.
I
Et
had
après,
to
c'est un
plunge
virage
into the
qui m'a
actual
plu,
writing.
une mise en scène différente, une profusion,
The
un travail
idea
sur la
was to
profusion
work on
des
a
décors, des gens,
profusion of
beaucoup de
settings,
figuration,
of
beaucoup de
people.
déplacements,
There are a lot
voilà,
of
pour pas refaire.
movements. I
J'avais déjà
didn't, above all
On va
costs, want to
commencer
do what
avec les
I'd
questions
already
des
done in my
journalistes.
previous
Je
films.
crois qu'on a
We'll
une
take
Annie
questions
là-bas.
from the journalists. I think there's one
bonjour.
here.
Oui, je suis Michaela, je travaille pour Reuters.
Michaela, I work for
Je pose une question
Reuters.
sur les
I'd
actualités
like
plutôt au
to
producteur.
ask
Et
a
aussi à
question to
Jean-Henri, si
the
vous voulez
producer
répondre également.
and
Le patron de
Jean-Henri.
Canal Plus a bien
The boss
déclaré
of Canal
qu'ils
Plus has just
ne
declared
financeront plus les
that they will
projets
no longer
par le
finance
signatoire de cette tribune sur Libération sur Vincent Bolloré.
projects
Quelle est votre réaction? Est-ce
in
que
some respects, and the reference was to Vincent Bolloré. What do you think about
Comment
this
ça pourrait
threat?
impacter le cinéma
How
en
might
France?
this impact the cinema in France?
Vas-y.
Ouais, j'y vais.
Vas-y, vas-y.
Je crois qu'on est face à un formidable
I
gâchis.
think this is a
Une
huge
réaction
waste.
sûrement à chaud,
It's probably an
malgré le
impetuous
fait que dans
reaction,
sa déclaration,
despite the fact that in his
hier, de
declaration
Maxime Saada,
yesterday by
l'ensemble
Maxime
du
Saada,
rappel de ses obligations a montré
when
que, en fait, c'était le
with this
financier,
reminder
Canal
of the
était le financier principal
obligations,
du cinéma français.
Canal was
Je
the
crois
main
que cette
financier
réaction
of
à chaud
the
n'a
French cinema, and I think it was an
absolument,
impetuous
à mon avis,
reaction. which
n'est
in my
absolument
view
pas justifiée.
is not justified in any manner whatsoever.
Elle est là
However,
et il va
we
falloir
have this threat,
essayer
and we'll have to
de la contourner. C'est une période
get
très
round it.
compliquée dans laquelle
It's a very
évidemment,
complicated
les gens
period.
ont tout à fait le droit de
Obviously,
s'exprimer.
people have the right to express their feelings.
C'est la liberté
People
d'expression.
who sign the petition, well, that's a freedom of expression. They're entitled to their own ideas. They can feel afraid. But this is all a bit extreme, in
Ça
fact.
bouscule un équilibre qui est déjà
It
très
upsets
fragile
a balance which is already very
dans un avenir
fragile
qui est un peu incertain.
in a
Aujourd'hui,
rather
on a
uncertain
trois
future.
énormes
We have
entités
three
qui financent le
huge
cinéma français,
entities
que
which
sont France
finance the
Télévisions,
French
Canal+,
cinema, France
et le
Télévisions,
CNC.
Canal+, and the
Tout ça est en
CNC.
train un peu de tanguer.
And all
Et je
this
pense
is
qu'il faut faire un
beginning
petit peu
to
gaffe
quiver a bit, to shake.
à foutre en l'air cet équilibre parce que de
And
toute façon, il est
the
menacé
balance
par
may be
d'autres
totally upset because, in fact,
forces
it's already
politiques
been
qui
threatened by other
trouvent
political
notre système
forces.
un peu woke et un peu mal
The
foutu.
woke
Donc
system,
voilà,
and so on and so forth.
je suis confus et emmerdé
I'm
de
very
cette réaction,
confused.
évidemment,
I'm really upset by this
on est
reaction.
tous d'accord
We all
de cette
agree.
réaction à chaud qui
This is a
crée
very
une espèce de
impetuous
liste noire.
reaction which
Et en même
creates a sort
temps,
of a blacklist. At the
on est
same time,
emmerdé parce qu'on
I feel that I'm in a very uncomfortable position because we have a wonderful outfit which supports diversity.
Le dossier
Canal
137
and
l'année
others.
dernière ne serait pas fait sans
Dossier
Canal.
137 couldn't have been made last year without
chez nous en France d'avoir ces
Canal.
obligations qui
And
obligent Canal.
of course,
et qui,
in France, there
et
are
qui
these
font que c'est
obligations
un gros
which
soutien pour nous. Et
rest on
maintenant,
the
on se
shoulders
retrouve
of
dans une
Canal.
espèce de
That's wonderful
bras de
for us,
fer
but now
un peu
there's
relou
a real struggle,
je trouve
a real
très
battle
embêtant
underway,
dans la
which I
période dans laquelle
find
on vit.
very upsetting in this present moment in time.
Nous, on travaille énormément avec Canal+,
We work
avec
a
ce
huge
canal,
amount
et
with Canal+.
évidemment, je dis à Alain sur la réaction à chaud,
And I
mais
agree with
je
what
comprends aussi
Alain
la
said.
vexation,
It's a
parce que
very
nous, on connaît très bien
impetuous
les équipes, et
reaction.
on voit à quel point nous, on est soutenus sur des
We
projets
get a lot of support
divers, complexes,
for various
et
complex,
à quel
diverse
point ils ont envie
projects,
d'un cinéma
people want to
différent
have a different cinema,
et multiple, et c'est vrai que
multiple
je
cinema.
comprends aussi que toutes ces personnes
also understand that all these
se sont
people
senties aussi vexées
felt
par
upset,
rapport au travail qu'ils
vexed,
font depuis
considering all the
cette
work
année,
they've been
depuis 10 ans,
doing
depuis 20
this
ans,
year for the
à
past
nous
10 or
accompagner
20 years,
sur
supporting
plein de
us
films et
with
mais oui,
so very many
et
films.
l'humain en fait, parce que c'est vraiment voilà, on parle
It's
souvent, en
human
fait,
in a way.
de Canal+, mais nous on
We
travaille avec,
people often talk about Canal+,
des humains, et
but
parfois il y
we
a des
work with
vexations,
human
et parfois
beings,
quand on est
and
vexé,
sometimes people feel
on
vexed.
répond,
And when they're
parfois, on dit
vexed,
des choses peut-être
they may end up saying
qu'on peut
things
regretter, mais
that they
mais c'est
subsequently
l'humain,
regret.
parce que c'est
It's
vraiment des
just
humains, c'est des gens,
human.
nous en tout cas moi et Alain en tant que producteur,
Alain
on se sent
I,
très
as
soutenu,
producers, we feel we get strong
jamais
support.
influencé artistiquement.
We're never come under
Donc voilà.
attempts to influence us artistically speaking.
Non, oui, je partage tout à fait ce qui a été dit.
I fully share what's
C'est
just
vrai que
been
moi, je
said.
comprends d'où est née cette
understand,
tribune. Elle est née d'une
Why this
peur,
came
d'une
about.
anxiété. C'est
It
sûr que
was
quand
born
derrière
in
on
fear,
entend liste
anxiety.
noire,
When
menace,
you hear
ça
people
ne fait
talking about a
qu'entretenir cette
blacklist
anxiété.
and
Voilà,
threats,
c'est
people
normal.
feel anxious. That's normal.
Moi, je peux parler comme réalisatrice.
I can
Il se trouve que
speak
le
as a
groupe Canal est
director.
très important
Canal Plus
dans
is
ma
a
vie
very important
professionnelle.
group
Depuis le
in my
début, j'ai été
professional life
toujours
and has
soutenue
been
par
from the
Canal+,
very outset. I've
et
been
distribuée par
supported
Studio Canal.
and
C'est des
distributed
gens
by
qui m'ont
Canal
suivi dans
Plus
tous
since
mes
the
projets,
outset.
qui
They
ont
followed
suivi
me
tous les
in all my
virages, tous les
projects.
sujets
They
que je
followed
voulais
all the subjects
aborder,
that I wanted to broach.
et qui m'ont permis toujours de faire
And
des
they've
films que
always
j'avais envie de
enabled
faire,
me to
moi,
make the
mes
films I
producteurs.
wanted to make, me and the producers.
Donc c'est ça la réalité
So
aujourd'hui de
that's
ce qui se
how things
passe
stand
pour ceux qui
today.
travaillent avec Canal+,
For
et
those who work
Studio
with
Canal, en tout cas,
Canal+,
moi je peux témoigner de ça.
I can indeed bear
Mais c'est
witness
vrai qu'on
to
peut
what
avoir
I've just
peur de la
said.
suite. C'est
You
vrai
may
que notre
feel
modèle
afraid
il est
about the future.
contesté même
Our
au sein
model
de
is being
nos
challenged
frontières, même
even
en France.
within
Le
the
système du
country,
cinéma
in
français
France.
qui
The
est
French
pourtant vraiment
system
méga
for the
vertueux,
cinema
qui
is
fait quand même le troisième cinéma
extremely
du monde.
virtuous. It's the third
Il faut s'en
leading
souvenir de ça. On est le
cinema
troisième
in
cinéma
the
du
world.
monde. On produit le plus de
We should
films.
remember that. We produce
Parce qu'on a
the
un
third
système
largest number
merveilleux,
of films
parce que
because we have a
CNC, parce que
wonderful
la
system
chronologie
thanks
des
to
médias,
the
etc., etc.
CNC,
Voilà, Canal+,
the various
est au centre,
windows.
au cœur
Canal
du cinéma
Plus
français.
stands at the heart of the French
Je crois que
cinema.
le cinéma français est
I
au
think
centre
that the French
du
cinema
modèle
is
économique
also at the heart of the
et je dirais presque
economic
modèle
model
sentimental
and
de Canal+,
the
aussi.
sentimental
J'ai l'impression
model,
que c'est
so
un
to
mariage
speak, of Canal+.
de raison.
It's a mariage de
et d'amour.
raison. And it's a marriage based on love at the same
En
time.
lisant la pétition, ça
I
part
read
aussi
through
de
the
la
petition.
comparaison avec
People talk
Grasset,
about
mais
the
que le cinéma c'est
comparison
différent aussi, c'est
with
quand t'es un éditeur et
Alsep,
que
and it's different
tu as un seul
from
interlocuteur au
an
cinéma aussi.
editor or publisher. When you
Il
have
y
a
a
single
Canal, mais
interlocutor
si
in
t'as
the
pas
cinema,
Canal,
well, we have several.
maintenant il y a
There's
Netflix,
Canal,
il y a
there's
Disney,
Netflix,
il y
there's
a HBO, il y
Disney,
a aussi, voilà, et
HBO.
après il y a un distributeur,
And then you
il
have
y a
a
des chaînes payantes.
distributor, you
Donc en
have
fait sur un film, en fait, on
pay
parle avec,
channels.
on a 15 personnes
So we
qui vont
have
financer le
about
film. Il n'y a pas
15
une seule
people who are
personne.
going to finance
L'édition,
the
je pense
film,
que
not just
moi,
one.
je connais pas bien l'édition, mais j'ai l'impression que voilà, quand tu es auteur, ton seul
When you are an
interlocuteur va être ton
author,
éditeur.
your
Et donc,
own
du coup,
interlocutor
je
will
pense
be
que le
your
rapport est
publisher,
différent
and I
que
think
nous
the
aussi dans le
relationship
cinéma
is very
où,
different in the cinema.
on est beaucoup autour de la table.
There were lots of
quand on lance un film.
people sitting around the table when it
on a
comes
une
to
question juste
financing a
là-bas.
film. We have a question over here,
Voilà.
but
Et je
I
la
understand the fear and I share it.
Florencia Ángeles, Caracol Radio en Colombie, merci.
Thank you.
partage. Faut faire ça.
Non, ça va. C'est bon, je vais parler en français.
Ah,
I'll be
d'accord.
speaking French.
Merci.
Donc, pour la directrice, merci pour le
For
film.
the
Comment est-ce que vous
director, thank you
avez
for the film.
trouvé le juste milieu
How did
entre
you
le
find
drama
this
et
happy
l'humour dans
balance
tous les
between
films?
drama
Et
and
c'était
humor
vraiment assez
in
touchant
all
et assez
your
marrant en même temps.
films?
Et
It's
pour
quite
Adèle,
amusing.
il
This
y a
is
une
very
scène aussi assez
present.
touchante.
There's a very
Et dans
moving, a
la
touching
Garance
scene
parle
when
du
Garance
fait d'être actrice.
talks
Qu'est-ce que ça fait
about
pour
being
vous
an
d'être
actress.
actrice le plus difficile aussi que vous avez vécu
What's
dans
most
votre carrière?
difficult
Merci beaucoup.
for you in terms of an actress
Merci.
or in
Je
the course
laisse
of
le temps
your
de
career?
réfléchir. J'ai l'impression que c'est l'équilibre un peu de la vie. J'ai l'impression que la vie est vraiment, par essence, tragicomique.
Life is full
Évidemment,
of
il y a des vies
tragedy
plus
and comedy at the
difficiles
same time.
et
Obviously, some
des choses à
lives are more
surmonter plus
difficult
éprouvantes
than
suivant les
others.
vies,
Some
évidemment.
things are more difficult to overcome
l'idée,
than
c'était,
others.
comme je vous disais tout à l'heure,
The
comme j'ai
idea, as
essayé
I said
d'emprunter une
earlier
sorte de
on,
petit virage,
was
que j'avais fait plutôt des
to
films
branch
un
out
petit
in
peu
a
costauds
different
émotionnellement
direction.
et un peu
I
plus drama que comédie. Je me
wanted
dis, je vais essayer
to have a
de
bit
faire un
more
truc un peu
drama
marrant.
than
Voilà.
or in
Donc,
my
j'ai essayé de
past
faire des
films
trucs
there
un
was
peu
more
marrants,
drama,
avec des situations marrantes, mais
comedy
parce
than
que
drama.
essentiellement, comme c'est un
Or
film
drama than
personnage,
comedy
vraiment,
rather, and here I
Garance,
wanted
c'est le
things to
film.
be more funny, more comical. Garance is
Déjà,
really
Garance, elle est marrante,
the
je trouve.
film,
On a essayé
and
de faire un
she's very
personnage
funny in
qui avait de
herself.
l'esprit,
We
qui
tried
avait
to
de la
have a
répartie, qui était drôle.
character
Et pas
who's
que malgré elle,
amusing,
évidemment,
funny,
l'alcool,
jokes
ça a des
around,
limites, ça te fait faire des
but
bêtises et
yet
tout ça, mais
alcohol makes
en
her
dehors de
do
l'alcool,
silly
c'est vraiment
things. But
quelqu'un qui est
apart from
marrant, je pense,
alcohol, she's
et qui est
someone who's
sympa à
deeply
côtoyer.
amusing and lots of
Non,
fun to
puis
be
moi, je
with.
peux pas passer
I
un
can't.
film, c'est un peu long à
Well, a
écrire, à
film, it
tourner,
takes
ça. Moi,
quite
je
a
peux
lot of
pas
time
passer
to
3 ans
write
dans les
and
ténèbres,
shoot.
en
I
fait.
can't
Il faut que je m'amuse un
spend
peu
3
de temps en temps.
years
Et je trouve que ça
hiding
libère
away,
beaucoup les
working on a
émotions
film.
sensibles
And I
et
think
plus dramatiques de
in this,
pouvoir rire
it's
aussi dans
wonderful
des
to be
films.
able to
Je
laugh
trouve
in
que
a
ça
film that
détend,
frees
ça
up lots of
désarme, et du coup,
emotions, it
derrière, on peut
relaxes
laisser
you,
libérer des émotions
disarms
plus,
you, and you
peut-être
can
plus profondes.
therefore delve
Mais,
much
c'est bien si
deeper
vous avez
into certain
trouvé que
emotions.
c'était,
It's
un
great
peu marrant, c'était
if
le
you
but.
found it quite funny. That was the whole purpose of the film.
Non, mais je pense que surtout ce que je partage en commun avec Garance dans
What I
cette
have
vie
in common
d'actrice, c'est le
with
plaisir
Garance in her
et
life
l'amour
as
du
an
jeu.
actress
Et
is
c'est
the
vrai que
pleasure of
hier,
acting.
j'ai remarqué que beaucoup de
Yesterday, I
journalistes
noticed that a lot
me
of
disaient « Ah, mais
journalists
qu'est-ce que
were
ça
saying,
fait de jouer
oh, what's
une
it like
galérienne ?»
to
Et c'est pas comme ça que je la perçois,
portray
dans le
this
sens
kind
où
of
évidemment elle
character
s'isole
who's
avec
having
son
so much
alcoolisme
difficulties in life. Of course,
insidieux.
she is very
Mais je pense
isolated
aussi
because of
que
her
connu ne veut
alcoholism.
pas dire être un
but,
bon acteur. Je connais d'immenses acteurs et actrices
I
qui
know
ne
lots
sont pas
of
connus,
great
mais qui
actors and
travaillent.
actresses who aren't
Là,
well
j'ai un
known,
mauvais exemple en tête, j'ai Denis Lavant, qui est connu, mais bref.
work very
Ouais, pas
hard.
mal.
Marlon Brando, par exemple.
Gilles
Marlon Brando, a very good
Euh,
actor.
Non, mais que je partage avec elle et aussi cette vie un peu de
So I share
nomade.
many
Maintenant, je
things
me sens
with her.
tellement
This nomadic
privilégiée de faire
existence too. I feel
quelque
very
chose que j'aime
privileged in
avec des
doing
gens que
something I
j'estime que ce
love
serait
with
dur
people
de
who I
trouver
esteem.
quelque chose de
It
dur.
would be
Maintenant, je
very
pense que c'est une route
difficult
construite
to
parfois de
do
rejet et
another
surtout
profession. Of
de
course,
doutes.
you're often racked
Mais
by
je pense
doubts.
aussi que les doutes, ça va avec la
You
foi,
may
donc
be turned down, but
que c'est pas grave.
you have to have faith in what you do. It doesn't
Il y a
matter.
une question là-bas.
We have a question over here.
Bonjour, Elodie Mattei pour Cannes Radio.
Cannes
Donc
Radio.
tout d'abord, bravo et merci à toute l'équipe
Congratulations
pour le
and thank
film.
you to the
J'avais une
whole
question
team.
pour Adèle.
I have a
Donc on sait que
question
vous
for
choisissez
Adele.
souvent vos rôles de manière
You
très
often
instinctive
chose
et c'est ce qui fait que
your,
vous avez un parcours avec une vraie
parts
cohérence. Je voulais
in,
savoir ce qui vous avait attiré vers ce
to portray
personnage
people who are a bit
et vers cette nouvelle
infantile. What did you
collaboration
have in
avec
common
Jeannery.
with
Est-ce
this
que c'est d'abord
character?
une envie de
And what
retravailler
was it like
ensemble
working
ou
with
est-ce que c'est quelque
Jeannery?
chose de
Did
très
you want
précis
to
dans le
work again
scénario ou autre
together,
chose
or
qui vous a
was it the
interpellé?
script or something else that really attracted you to the project?
Oui, je pense que c'est assez instinctif dans le sens où le peu de fois pour être vraiment transparente où j'ai essayé d'être un peu stratégique.
I tried to be quite strategic in my choice, but when I've been like that, I may have regretted. Sometimes you say yes, you then regret, but in my case that's very rare.
Quelque chose de physique, c'est-à-dire
It's almost physical in my case.
Je sais pas, je le ressens, je me dis j'ai envie de faire partie de cette aventure.
I sense things in my body. I wanted to be part of the adventure.
Et puis je pense que
I wanted to take on
aussi,
this
c'est d'avoir
part.
un petit peu peur.
Also, I felt a
Et le
little
film de
bit
Jeanne, c'est
scared.
marrant parce que je l'ai un peu manifesté. J'étais avec un ami une semaine avant et je disais mais c'est mon rêve d'être dans le prochain film de Jeanne Herry.
And I said I dream about being in a film made by Jeanne Herry, and then I got the phone call a week later. I love the fact that she was exploring something new. She puts herself in danger. It's quite rare to be offered a portrait of a woman today. There's this fantastic love story in the middle of the film as well.
Il y a quelque chose dans le cinéma de Jeanne qui me touche toujours.
Cinema which
je trouve
deeply
qu'elle arrive
moves
à
me.
mettre de l'intensité dans la
I think she
douceur,
creates great intensity while being
sur la
gentle.
réparation qui l'anime.
She asks questions about this notion of reparation, restoration.
Qu'on rigole beaucoup.
We laugh a lot as well
sur vos visages.
in her film.
Aussi d'être dans des choses comme ça de gravité en permanence.
The situations are very
je sais que ma mère est infirmière et des fois elle me raconte ses journées. Je lui dis mais tu ris, elle me dit oui,
sometimes she tells me about her days and I say you managed to laugh and she says yes, I crack up with laughter. It's very fortunate to be able to work with all the people in the film.
Question en anglais.
A question in English?
Hi, good morning. Maria Guerra, Quinótico, Spain. Hi, I'm here. Well, congratulations on this wonderful, complex TikToker with so many different tones, this movie. This is a question for Adele, because in this festival, this is the third movie in competition portraying lesbian in a natural way, with no drama. So actually, this press conference today is packed with young colleagues. They don't come here so often. So actually, you, Adele, you are. I mean, it feels to me that you are the face of the new generation. How does it feel? Because you opened like the big door with La Vida Adele and the following interpretation. So the question is, do you feel somehow the face of your generation? Is it a burden to you?
Arrive tout de suite. Non, je rigole, il n'y a plus. La voix de ma génération, vous voulez dire...
Am I the voice of my generation?
La communauté queer, oui.
You mean
queer, non.
The queer community?
Ah, oui, c'est ça, oui, on est d'accord.
Non, je pense que c'est... J'espère que c'est plus large et que justement on est dans une génération qui est collective. Enfin, moi, c'est comme ça que j'aime à le percevoir.
I view this generation as a sort of a collective group.
J'y ai pensé à
Obviously, I was deeply moved. I thought about La Vie d'Adèle. Then there's this love story with Sarah in the film.
Qu'est-ce que ça te fait d'être en quelque sorte, et c'est assez vrai, une représentante de ta génération, une grande figure générationnelle aujourd'hui.
A real figurehead of your generation.
Qui d'habitude viennent pas, préfèrent dormir.
J'adore.
Et là sont.
Well, I love it.
Moi aussi. En fait, comme je réalise pas forcément ce que je représente, j'ai du mal à répondre.
So it's hard for me to give you an answer, but if that is the case, it's a great honor. Above all,
c'est vrai que La Vie d'Adèle, on me dit toujours, est-ce que ça vous embête qu'on vous reparle tout le temps de ce film, etc.
Did that bother you appearing in the film? But for me, it's a source of great pride.
En valeur des minorités. Enfin, je sais que des fois,
really portrayed minorities or young men or young women who've come to me and said, well, thanks to you, I was able to talk to my grandmother or grandfather. I did my coming out. And that's the very noble dimension of the cinema, to be able to tell stories and have a huge impact on people's hearts. If I can assist, I'm very happy.
Non, mais c'est vrai qu'Adèle, elle a une grande. Je pense qu'elle a une immense capacité à provoquer de l'attachement et de l'identification pour les jeunes générations.
A real bond. They can identify with her, particularly the young generation. And things go beyond that as well.
Elle est profondément humaine.
She is deeply human. And when you write a situation, and when it's acted out by Adèle, the situation becomes very real.
Je ne parle pas de naturalisme ou quoi,
I'm not
c'est
talking
vrai,
about
ça fait vrai,
naturalism,
ça
it
sonne
becomes
vrai.
really
Et
true.
donc,
It sounds and
oui, je
looks
pense que c'est
real.
assez juste, parce que ça
And I
fait
think
partie,
that
Adèle fait
what you
partie
said
des
is very
figures
true.
aujourd'hui
Adele is one of
je
the
pense, les
outstanding
nouvelles
people
générations, la
who
génération actuelle
represent
peut
the new
immédiatement
generation, and
s'identifier.
the new generation was able
J'ai une question
immediately
pour
to
Sarah
identify
Giraudot.
with
Jeanne
her.
Herry est connue
Question
pour
for
être
Sarah
une très bonne
Giraudot.
directrice d'acteurs. Comment vous
Jeanne
avez
is
vécu cette
known
expérience de
as
tournage?
an excellent
J'ai vécu
director. What was
merveilleusement
like
bien
on the set?
et je trouvais que
She's a
c'était une idée
wonderful
justement
director.
incroyable quand on
And I
parle
thought
d'une
it was an
actrice qui est très
incredible idea.
générationnelle.
We
Moi,
talk
mon
about
premier
a
casting,
generational
la
actress.
directrice de
Well,
casting m'avait dit que je faisais trop
the
1940.
casting director said I was too
Je vous avoue,
1940s.
je sais pas du tout ce que j'ai pu
Like,
faire de
and I
cette
don't know
avis.
what
Quand on est toute jeune comédienne et qu'on a
I
20
thought,
ans, il me dit
what
oui,
am
t'es
I
pas
going to
du tout
do?
de ta
I was only
génération, tu fais trop
20, and the person
1940.
said,
Donc je
well,
trouve que
you
c'est
look
une
like someone from the
merveilleuse parce que
1940s. It's
je
not
pense
your
effectivement
generation.
qu'il y
So
en
it
a
was a
moins
wonderful
les jeunes.
opportunity.
Mais,
Maybe I moved the young generation less, but
but
together, the two of us, we achieved perfect symbiosis.
J'ai tout d'abord adoré
Seriously
le
speaking,
scénario,
I love this
son
script.
écriture,
I love the
la
writing,
douceur extrême qu'il y avait
the
dans ce
extreme
personnage,
gentleness
parce que
of
parfois
the
les
character,
personnages
because
très doux,
sometimes
très généreux,
very
très
gentle,
gentils
generous,
peuvent être
kind
ennuyeux.
characters
On peut
can be
basculer
boring.
parfois un peu dans quelque chose d'un petit peu,
You end up
fade.
in a situation that's a bit pale and insipid. And thanks to her sense of humor and the very human dimension of the characters, this was never the case. Meeting Adele was absolutely wonderful. Creating a couple with two such different personalities, when you have this humanity, fluidity, generosity, and openness towards the other person, I think that creates a fabulous couple. I loved the experience, therefore. Working with Jeanne was wonderful because she has all the contradictions one needs. She's very demanding, yet at the same time she has this light touch in the way she goes about her work. She knows exactly where she wants to go with the actors. The text is well written and well thought out. She works a lot on the script. There is a space for improvisation, and she lets us be very free at the same time. There's tremendous curiosity and love for the actors. If all of a sudden we do a scene and she gets what she likes, we continue to work because there's this pleasure of creating and of finding and of delving into the very human aspect of the characters. It's a wonderful experience. We have a question in the middle in English.
Very beautiful film. It's Yannis Raouzeos from Athens, Greece, my film.gr. I would like to address a question to Adele and to Sarah and you, finally. We need, I believe, positive characters in films. And even though this film has a huge dramatic tendency, the main character, the character of Adele, it is a positive character. So, first of all, how would you like Adele to describe this tension between the gravity of the character and the unbearable lightness of the ways that she tries to find to escape from this condition towards express herself as an actor? And also, how much, and this is a question now to all three of you, love transforms the relation of her with herself and with her environment, and how much this is connected with your idea as a filmmaker and Sarah's idea as a partner with her. Thank you, and sorry for the long question.
La première question, c'est sur le rapport entre la tragédie et la légèreté.
So it's the relationship between tragedy and this light touch.
C'est-à-dire parfois dans les plus grandes épreuves
in the greatest
ordeals, fou rire. Je pense que c'est même de la survie. Et en plus le personnage était écrit comme ça,
survival, and the character was written like that. The character has this courage, this light that saves her.
Je suis alcoolique.
She says right at the outset that she's alcoholic. When it comes to love,
je rejoins complètement Sarah sur.
I agree entirely with what Sarah said.
Mais c'est vrai qu'on a tendance à associer la gentillesse à une forme de
to link kindness with a kind of weakness or passiveness. And after watching the film, I said to myself that everyone should be like Pauline. It's very hard when you're in contact with addicts to find the right stance. You don't want to be isolated. You need to support the person. I don't have the right answer to give, apart from giving the person love. It's true that Pauline, well, she's given even the choice to die. If you have nothing to lose and you want to die, I'll be there. The idea is to ask the right questions. That lends meaning to the notion of survival. I hope I've answered your question. Thank you.
Oui, c'est un caractère, un personnage très positif.
The character is very positive.
Qui a énormément de qualités.
She has a huge number of qualities and tries to do her best. She's courageous, reliable, strong-willed, kind, funny. And the same applies to Pauline as a character. She has lots of qualities too.
Le film contient à la fois beaucoup d'adversité,
contains a lot of adversity, a lot of difficulties,
bons sentiments.
And
voilà, moi j'ai un peu compris qui j'étais, et ce qui m'intéresse. J'aime explorer les bons sentiments.
I like to explore these feelings. I find it extremely interesting.
Les bons sentiments sont aussi profonds et intéressants que les mauvais.
That good feelings are as interesting as bad feelings.
Dans le cinéma, parce que je pense que c'est plus
in the cinema,
intéressant. Évidemment, il faut. Moi,
obviously, you need to depict both sides of things. You don't want to have just stupidness, violence, say that these don't exist. On the other hand, you can't show just the best or the worst. What interests me to explore is these multifaceted dimensions. It's hard to make characters totally positive, totally charismatic, consistent. In life, personally, I often find that kind people have huge charisma. They should be given more credit for this. Sometimes ill-intentioned people are viewed as very charismatic. People often in a trial say the same thing. He's a bad guy. Who is this guy who I've been afraid for years? Evil can be very dull. People who really do things, who put energy in their lives and try to repair things. I find these people very charismatic and luminous. So it's the opposite of exploring well-intentioned gestures. It's wonderful for me to see how people overcome adversity. It's great to overcome adversity. Life is not easy. We have to overcome ordeals, and I like to see how other people go about this. Pauline, it's true, she's quite a wonderful character. She's a bit ideal. There aren't that many limits. She learns to love in an unconditional way, and she is loved in a way we'd all like to be loved. She's understood, she's accepted for the person she is, given despite the context and her difficulties. There's just one limit. But she doesn't feel there are any limits. Her limit is that there are no limits. But you do need to have limits in life. Yet I find it a great pleasure. We live in hideous times, we're afraid. I think to spend 2 hours with people who are trying to do their best and who love each other, that's very soothing. It's a wonderful experience. I'll stand for election at the Town Hall of Cannes in September. Having made that statement.
Je sais pas si vous aviez quelque chose à ajouter.
I don't know whether you have anything to add. No, I thought that was very beautiful. What you said was extremely beautiful.
Moi, c'était plus la place de l'amour. C'est exactement ce que Jeanne
love is something I wanted to refer to as I said, unconditional love is a really powerful tool. Adele turns up in the film. We see this woman who is struggling despite the qualities she has. She's in a sort of a conflict. She can't seem to unravel. And then she reaches out to this love which bears her, creates other doubts in her mind. Yet there's true sincerity. This person is looking at her just the way she is. She feels totally bared, unarmed, and that transforms her in her relationship with others. There's something very beautiful that takes place. Pauline's positive feelings I find very interesting myself. The Pauline in the film is not necessarily the same Pauline as 5 years later. It's just the beginning of the relationship. What's beautiful is that this character is rediscovering love, and we're just at the very beginning. These beautiful feelings and these somewhat hidden shortcomings will then be revealed. Garance, of course, observes this woman because she feels this amazing love for her, and she identifies these shortcomings. She knows that if the problems arrive, it won't be now because she's strong, she's discreet. The problems will arise later on. Both of them are mutually observing the other, seeing how the other one functions, and they are also looking at the future to see how the conflicts will come about. They show this great human intelligence in the middle of love. I'll be deputy. She can be deputy mayor.
Quand même un petit peu aussi, oui. Adjoint à la quoi, la stagiaire.
So there can be many deputies and a mayor.
Hugo Seignac, Alain Attal, vous produisez les films de Jeanne depuis.
You have been producing Jeanne's films from the very beginning. How have her films evolved, and what has she achieved with Garance? Shall I start?
C'est un formidable. Alors, je réponds. On va essayer de faire court les deux.
We'll try to give short answers, each of us.
C'est formidable
It's wonderful
d'accompagner ainsi un chemin.
Work with a director who is budding, accompany that person in her thoughts and progression. We've gotten to know each other. Hugo and I have a system which is very complementary. We co-produce. And we're two, particularly with the first films, it's of capital importance to look together at this cradle with this infant which is growing in strength and blossoming, and you can see growing maturity, reflection. You can sense the meanders of her thought which lead her to choose an idea, and then of course we provide her with support. Now we've produced 4 films over a 10-year period, and she knows, Jeanne, that we're always very kind, even when we discuss certain scenes and the editing. She knows we're very close, and this is a collective effort, therefore. We listen a lot to each other, and we all love each other very much, so we'll vote for her. I have the impression
la femme, quand je l'ai rencontrée sur Elle l'adore, et celle d'aujourd'hui
that Jeanne, as a woman, has evolved, has changed. No, she hasn't really changed. It's the same person.
Alain parlait de L'Oréal, mais moi, en tout cas, c'est une réalisatrice
For me, Jeanne is a director who has enabled me to evolve as a person. We hold lots of conversations and we listen to the way she views the world. Thanks to her, I think I've become a better producer. I have the impression I've become a better person.
My name is Barbara Gasser from Austria, Trish. I have to speak in English. I'd like to ask you, first of all, Shane, I want to congratulate you on tackling on the topic of alcoholism, which is a huge part in society. And in particular here in Cannes, there is lots of champagne flowing. We are in the country of winemaking and champagne making. So that's why I'm congratulating on you on this tackling this subject, which in a country like that is a very difficult one, a tricky one. So I would like to ask you all three, Sarah, Jeanne, and Adele, what do you think of now that there is alcohol-free wine and alcohol-free champagne in some countries served or at parties? Can you imagine that one day in Cannes we only will experience to be served with alcohol-free wine and champagne? So please take a serious question with a twinkle in the eye, please.
C'est ça. Je ne vais pas me faire assassiner par le lobby du vin non plus. Donc,
I don't want to be assassinated by the wine lobby either.
Non, oui, pourquoi j'ai choisi c'est vrai, c'était une des dimensions du film, c'était l'alcool, bien sûr, le rapport à l'alcool.
Alcohol, of course, is an important subject in the film.
C'est tellement répandu.
Addiction is so widespread.
C'est pas si facile, comme on se disait, exister et que chacun se prend.
Life isn't easy, so we all have our crutches, and alcohol is a possible crutch.
Comme le produit est tellement facile à trouver,
it's so easy to find,
c'est très 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 répandu.
It's very widespread. To a certain extent, it's quite highly appreciated. It's quite stigmatizing for people who don't drink, or teetotalers, or who have stopped drinking entirely. Statistically speaking, apart from children, most people I know drink alcohol in different amounts, sometimes a little bit, a lot, too much.
Je sais pas,
c'est
des mécanismes hyper puissants.
These are very powerful mechanisms which remind us to what extent we're fragile, and there are unfulfilled needs that need to be fulfilled, and we think this product does us good, but it actually harms us, and that's where the problem begins. We live in an era, and I'm very pleased, where there are places
l'alcool est souvent très présent dans ces violences-là.
Where you can escape violence. People talk about violence in the couple at home, and alcohol is often incriminated. There are now massive public campaigns, and I think it's good to have added this story. In my preceding film, I talked about family violence, and here I talk about alcohol. Even with Garance, this doesn't give rise to violence. There could be violence because she has inhibitions, because people sometimes let themselves go and allow themselves not to have any limits anymore. So I was interested through Garance to observe the two aspects of alcohol. There's a positive aspect. I like it, it relaxes me, I find it very pleasant, it's nice to share with other people. And then you can see the tremendous harm it causes. So you have this great ambivalence in the product. And also, we're in a country which makes a lot of wine. But I think people drink a little bit all over the place in the world. Perhaps I think we drink too much as a group.
Mais je pense qu'il faut qu'on fasse attention.
We have to be very careful, particularly in France. We have a model where there must be collective responsibility, because we have a welfare system, and this gives rise to a lot of cancers and diseases. If one can think about alcohol and alcoholism, and if the film can spur conversations, I think it's a very good thing.
Bonjour, Shimon Sophia pour Movie in Love. Une question pour la cinéaste. Vous avez déjà collaboré avec Gilles Lelouch pour Je verrai toujours le visage et Pupille. Et là, c'est encore le cas avec Adèle, entre Je verrai toujours le visage et Garance. Est-ce que c'est quelque chose qui vous tient à cœur de retravailler avec les mêmes actrices, acteurs? Est-ce que quand vous êtes au scénario, vous avez
And when you're working on the script, you sometimes have an actor or an actress in mind from the very beginning. Yes, clearly, I probably work in that way, because I've done 2 films with Sandrine Kimberlin, and then 2 films with Elodie Boucher, 2 films with Gilles, and with Adèle. The next one will be with me.
Je vous l'annonce.
And not with Adèle.
Non,
I'm just joking.
Oui, en fait, j'ai à cœur de travailler avec. J'adore travailler avec les gens avec lesquels j'ai déjà travaillé.
I really love working with people with whom I've already worked, truly, and I like working with new people as well.
Mais c'est beaucoup de plaisir, en tout cas, de retravailler
avec des gens. It's a great pleasure for me to work again with people who I really like and who I filmed. And sometimes I do indeed write for specific actors or actresses.
Et parfois pas.
Sometimes that's not the case at all, however.
J'ai les deux dans ma tête.
So the two possibilities are something I bear in mind. We have a further question? The last one.
Je voudrais juste compléter la question de ma consoeur de Reuters, Wafa Salih de l'AFP. Je voudrais savoir concrètement comment vous allez faire avec cette liste des 600. Est-ce que 600 bannis plus ou moins de Canal+, est-ce que vous allez travailler avec eux?
In terms of Canal+. Are you going to work with them? No, I'm just joking. Yes, of course. We often work with them.
Oui, dans les équipes techniques et tout ça.
Yes, with the technical teams and everything. I imagine the answer is yes. A blacklist is out of the question as far as we are concerned.
Une question là-bas.
We have one more question. And that would be
unfortunate
unfortunate for the French cinema to do without all these people, of course.
C'est vous qui avez la parole.
C'est vrai.
En tout cas, je vous félicite pour
I
ce
would
nouveau
like to
film.
congratulate you on this new film. All your films are very powerful.
J'ai mis un petit pronostic par rapport au film que j'ai vu encore.
In terms of prognosis and the films in competition,
C'est bien vous qu'on appelle l'oracle.
You are the person who's known as the oracle?
La question que je voudrais vous poser, moi, tout
Well,
début,
I want to ask you a question.
What
is the prognosis?
Un prix d'interprétation pour Adèle, déjà.
I think a Best Female Actress award for Adele.
Et encore, mais encore.
And what else? Well, if you want more. Well, I can't be a complete oracle. The question I wanted to ask was that you spoke about this woman who you met and who wasn't an actress. Why did you want to include this in a film? Have you met such characters often in your life? And when it comes to the actors or actresses as well, is this something you've seen or experienced? One sense that passion, be it love or passion for your job, can save an individual. I'm very interested in different professions in life. That's often the first thing that I learn about the character, their job. I like to show people in their jobs before showing them in their private lives. I find it's wonderful to discover new professions, different jobs, and making films enables me to learn about things and meet new people, see how people live, how they work, services, hospitals, prisons, and so on. And it so happens that the acting profession is something I know well. I know a lot of actors and actresses. I myself was an actress at one point in my life, so I'm familiar with it. I think it's quite mysterious. We don't really fully understand the profession. It's an art, and it's a craft, which is very mysterious for others. When you're not an actor, it's very hard to know how an actor has managed to reach that point, to produce that effect, to act in that manner. Acting interests me. Actors, in general, don't spend all their time turning down projects, or they do their utmost to work. They have to fight all the time to get enough work, and I wanted to show this, to depict this in my film. Some person who goes from a dubbing studio to a set, who does plays, who gives courses, who is an instructor, and it's true, a lot of my friends do all these jobs and really fight to rise up in their profession. I love this kind of thing. I love to see what's happening in the sidelines of plays and shows. I find it very moving, very touching. We'll stop there. Thank you, everyone, for all your questions. And we can give a warm round of applause to Garance and the crew.